Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Salam Alaikum and good evening, and welcome to our event this evening. We are gathered here today to witness a new partnership between the Sultanate of Oman and China, represented by SANY Group and Al Misfat Equipment Company, the authorized agent of SANY in Oman. This partnership also sees the first in Oman, the launch of SANY mobile cranes. I would now like to invite the chairman of Al Misfat Equipment Company and also the host of this evening, Mr. Samir Chalhoub, to present his welcoming speech.
معالي الشيخ محمد بن مرهون بن علي المعمري الموقر، قد شرفنا أن تكونوا معنا اليوم راعياً لحفل الافتتاح لشركتنا المتواضعة المسفات للمعدات، وكلاء معدات ساني في سلطنة عمان. كما ويشرفنا حضور سعادة يو فولونغ سفير جمهورية الصين الشعبية، وسعادة حسام دياب سفير الجمهورية اللبنانية في سلطنة عمان، ووجود الفاضل ليو بياو مدير التجارة الخارجية لشركة ساني. وأيضا نرحب بضيوفنا أصحاب السعادة الكرام وبعملائنا الأكارم وأصدقائنا الأعزاء وبكل من حضر. ويسرنا أن تكونوا معنا اليوم لكي نعطي نبذة عن واحدة من أفضل العلامات التجارية حول العالم، وهي رافعات ساني التي تعمل بنشاط في سلطنة عمان منذ سنوات حتى قبل وجود الوكيل المعتمد، وذلك لثقة العملاء بهذا الإنتاج الصيني العظيم الزاخر بأحدث التقنيات والمصنع بالجودة ودرجة السلامة العالية المتوخاة من هذا النوع من معدات الصناعة والإنشاء. ونحن في المسفات للمعدات كوكلاء عن ساني في السلطنة نعتبر وجود إنتاج ساني هنا بهذا الشكل المكثف ما هو إلا تتابع للنجاحات الباهرة للشركة الأم في الصين، نسبة لتلبية طلبات العملاء في أكثر من 110 دول حول العالم، كل حسب احتياجاته وطبيعة جغرافية موقعه. كما ونؤكد لعملائنا الأفاضل حرصنا أن يكون لإنتاج ساني وجود قوي في السوق العمانية، نسبة لجودة الإنتاج والاهتمامنا الكبير بالتسويق للمعدات وخدمة ما بعد البيع من توفير قطع الغيار الأصلية وصيانة المعدات على أيدي متخصصين مدعومين بمشرفين من الشركة الأم ومتواجدين في عداد موظفينا. وفقنا الله وإياكم لبلوغ النجاح المنتظر في هذا العهد الزاهر لقائد مسيرة عمان صاحب الجلالة السلطان قابوس بن سعيد المفدى حفظه الله ورعاه، ونحن نعيش وإياكم هذه الأيام المباركة للعيد الوطني ال45 المجيد. أكرر شكري لحضوركم جميعا وأتمنى لكم وقتا طيبا. شكرا.
SANY Heavy Industry is today China's largest construction machinery manufacturer. But as the saying goes, Rome was not built in a day. Let us sit back and enjoy the journey and success story of SANY.
SANY is among the top 10 largest construction machinery manufacturers in the world, the largest in China. We are a global corporation with 5 industrial parks in China and 4 new major manufacturing and R&D facilities in the United States, Germany, India, and Brazil. Our investment outside of China in just the last 5 years is well over $1 billion, enabling us to grow to meet the unique requirements of each local market, including your market. It is a process that takes time and learning. But our massive investment in facilities and the great efforts of our 70,000 people working in more than 150 countries demonstrates our commitment to meeting your needs in every corner of the globe. with over 10,000 employees focused on R&D, and over 40% of these holding master or doctorate degrees. SANY's heavy R&D investment has delivered either the #1 position or rapid growth in all our 500 models of equipment serving the concrete, road, port, crane, coal mining, pile driving, wind power, and excavating industries. SANY took yet another step towards meeting the needs of its customers in 2012 by purchasing the German manufacturer Putzmeister, combining world-class Chinese manufacturing efficiencies with German engineering to form the largest concrete machinery manufacturer in the world. SANY has also recently entered the global wind energy market, responding to the growing global demand for clean power, and has taken an active role in global social responsibility with recent work to clean up the Fukushima nuclear reactor accident, assisting in the Chilean miners' rescue, and rebuilding the earthquake destruction in Sichuan province, China. SANY is clearly in rapid growth mode in markets around the globe and is working hard to develop relationships with strong dealer partners who are ready to work in partnership to meet the needs of customers. In China, we partner with the premier dealers in the industry, and together we have earned a position of dominance in almost everything we manufacture in markets outside of China. We are busy finding partners with a vision towards what we can do together over the next 5, 10, and 50 years. Today we have nearly 200 dealer partners outside of China and continue to grow this number each month. SANY knows its role to deliver machines and parts that meet the local market specifications on time with a high-quality product. Our $1 billion investment in local R&D centers and manufacturing facilities is a real investment that demonstrates our commitment outside of China. Together, SANY and its dealer partners are listening to their customers and working to support them in their local market with on-time service, support, and parts. As with all truly global companies, SANY's story is well written and very established in many markets and just beginning in others. Today we may be the #1 brand in your market or a hungry newcomer. Whichever the case may be, know that SANY customers work on some of the most prestigious and challenging job sites in the world, including the Russian Federation Tower, the tallest building in Europe, the Great Mero Dam in Sudan, the Fukushima nuclear power plant in Japan, the Townsville Bridge in Australia, the Grand Pass in the US, the East-West Expressway project in Algeria, one of the largest mosques in the world in UAE, or any of the thousands of projects completed in China every year. With a market capitalization over $20 billion, an annual growth rate far exceeding most manufacturers in our industry for the past 15 years, and a ranking in the top 500 largest companies in the world, SANY is moving strongly into your local market. We have grown over just 15 years to become the #1 construction equipment brand in the Chinese market, the largest and fastest growing economy in the world. We have served thousands of customers in China and throughout the world to grow their business profitably. We look forward to helping you grow yours.
We will now have an acrobatic performance by our acrobat Sandra. Acrobatics is the display of extraordinary feats of balance, agility, and coordination. This act is sure to leave you enthralled and mesmerized. Oman's sound economic progress has established it as one of the fastest growing countries. Large global corporations such as SANY, therefore, are keen to create a presence for their product in such a promising economy. Oman's geopolitical stability under the wise leadership of His Majesty Sultan Qaboos bin Said further supports the environment that is conducive to business. In this regard, I kindly request the General Manager of Al Misfat Equipment Company, Mr. Nasib Kamar, to deliver his speech.
Quality changes the world. Your Excellency Sheikh Mohammed bin Marhoon bin Ali Al-Ma'mari, Advisor to the State. Your Excellency Yu Fulong, Ambassador of China to the Sultanate of Oman. Your Excellency Hussam Diab, Ambassador of Lebanon to the Sultanate of Oman. Honored guests, customers, friends and family, good evening. First, allow me in the name of Al Misfat Equipment Company to thank you all for sharing this landmark moment with us. We welcome Mr. Liu Biao, Director of International Sales and Marketing of SANY Automobile Hoisting Machinery, for coming today all the way from China to be with us. I chose to start my speech with SANY motto, quality changes the world, as quality has been and still is the major success factor for all SANY products. As you witnessed in the video a few minutes ago, SANY is investing millions of dollars yearly, approximately 5 to 7% of its turnover, on research and development to maintain the high standard of quality across its products. We believe that the demand for Chinese goods is set to increase given the current global scenario of plummeting oil prices. With its reputation for being one of the largest brands in China, offering high value for money, we expect SANY to benefit enormously from the prevalent economic climate. We have been honored to represent SANY in the Sultanate of Oman since May 2015. We are confident that our strategic partnership, in addition to aggressive business development strategies, will result in positive outcomes across various market sectors in Oman. Al Misfat Equipment Company's aim is to provide affordable and reasonable prices, coupled with reliable product performance, in addition to premium after-sales support and spare parts availability. To achieve that, we have established our fully equipped mobile service team, ready to serve our customers all over the Sultanate to reduce breakdown times for SANY mobile cranes. The company's vision is to become a leading player renowned for excellence, innovation in sales, as well as after-sales services of SANY mobile cranes. Our mission is to ensure continuous improvement in quality and operational efficiency to ensure sustainable growth by gaining confidence of our clients to adhere to HSE requirements of the area we operate. The company does not intend to set limits for its growth. Our dream is to reach the top. Our short-term target is to become market leaders of mobile cranes in the Sultanate of Oman. And our long-term target is to represent more SANY products, as well as to operate in other GCC areas and beyond. To quote Tiger Woods, no matter how good you get, you can always be better. And that's the exciting part. Allow me, before concluding my speech, to thank Mr. Samir Shalhoub, the chairman of the group, for his continuous support and valuable input to the company, and Mr. Muhammad Salim Al-Zafiti for his assistance and devotion. I also want to thank my lovely wife for all the support and encouragement she has given me throughout my journey. Thank you all for coming. I hope you enjoy the rest of the event. Now allow me to deliver my speech in Arabic. معالي الشيخ محمد بن مرهوم بن علي المعمري الموقر، سعادة يو فولونغ سفير جمهورية الصين الشعبية لدى سلطنة عمان، سعادة حسام دياب سفير الجمهورية اللبنانية لدى سلطنة عمان، الفاضل ليو بياو مدير التجارة الخارجية لمجموعة ساني، الحضور الكرام، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بداية أتوجه بجزيل الشكر باسم شركة المسفات للمعدات لحضوركم الليلة معنا ومشاركتنا هذا الحدث الأساسي في انطلاقة شركتنا. اخترت أن أستهل كلمتي بشعار شركة ساني للصناعات الثقيلة: الجودة تغير العالم، لأن الجودة كانت وما زالت المميز الأول لمنتجات ساني. وكما شاهدتم قبل قليل فإن ساني تستثمر مبالغ كبيرة في الأبحاث والتطوير للحفاظ على معايير الجودة العالية في جميع منتجاتها. لقد انطلق تعاوننا مع ساني في شهر مايو من العام الجاري، ونحن على ثقة تامة بأن من شأن هذا التعاون الاستراتيجي مصحوبا بإرادتنا المسؤولة أن يترك أثرا إيجابيا على القطاعات الإنتاجية المختلفة في سلطنة عمان. إن هدف الشركة المسفاة للمعدات الأساسي هو توفير معدات ذات جودة عالية وبأسعار مناسبة، بالتوازي مع خدمة الصيانة وقطع الغيار، بما يتضمن تلبية حاجة العملاء على أكمل الوجه. في الختام أشكر حضوركم ورعايتكم الكريمة.
SANY Group's choice of Al Misfat Equipment Company as its authorized agent in Oman didn't happen by chance. It was taken after a long audit and research about who has been in this market for 38 years and who has the full ability to promote and support the presence of such a major brand from China. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Liu Bao, Director of International Sales and Marketing of SANY Automobile Hoisting Machinery Company Limited, to deliver his speech.
Good evening, Your Excellence, ladies, gentlemen, and SANY customers. It gives me a great pleasure to be here today to join with our friends, partners, and customers in witnessing the official launching of the SANY mobile cranes in the Sultanate of Oman. SANY Heavy Industry is today China's largest construction machinery manufacturer. Our products are sold and used in more than 110 countries and regions across the world, showing trust of the users in the high quality that each piece of SANY machinery represents. This trust is what drives us to come to work every day and improve our products and service on a daily basis. In most of these areas where our machines are operating, we have built a strong and responsive after-sales support by providing locally based service engineers, spare parts, workshops, and other facilities. Today, I am very excited that we are bringing this advantage to Oman through the partnership with our dealer, Al Misfat Equipment Company. We chose to partner with Al Misfat Equipment Company because of their deep experience and expertise in the mobile cranes business in Oman, and for their deep-rooted commitment to customer care that will bring maximum value to our end users. Oman has become an increasingly important market for SANY with its rapid economic development and friendly business environment. Despite the lower oil price today, we firmly believe that the long-term growth outlook for Oman is very promising. Based on this, SANY has adapted its products to meet the unique operating conditions found here, and the result is our specially made GCC models, which are better at dealing with high temperature and sandy work environments. I would like to thank every existing SANY customer who have not only given us their order, but also invaluable advice that has enabled us to get better. I would like to thank our worldwide SANY dealers for their hard work and dedication to make SANY the equipment of choice. Lastly, I would like to thank everybody for taking time to be here today to celebrate with us a new chapter for SANY in the Sultanate of Oman. Thank you all.
Thank you, Mr. Bayo. Now we will have the signing ceremony. I kindly request Your Excellencies, Mr. Yufalung and Mr. Hussam Diab, along with the Chairman and the GM of Al Misfat Equipment Company LLC, and the SANY officials to please come to the stage. Erhu is an ancient Chinese musical instrument and is often considered the Chinese violin. This beautiful instrument adds a soothing, elegant ambience. Let us enjoy the experience performed by Jovi for us this evening. like to request that Mr. Nasib Kamar, GM of Al Misfat Equipment Company LLC, to come on stage along with the first buyer of the SANY crane, Mr. Hussein Alawi Akil, for the key handing over ceremony. I would also like to ask our second buyer to the stage, Mr. Arpan Das. This now brings us to the end of our program for this evening. A special thank you to our esteemed guests, His Excellency Sheikh Mohammed bin Mahoun bin Ali Al-Mamari, Advisor to the State, His Excellency Mr. Yu Fulong, the Ambassador of China, His Excellency Mr. Hussam Diab, the Ambassador of Lebanon, officials from SANY, and all our dear guests. Thank you for your presence on this auspicious day and for being a part of the SANY Mobile Crane launch. We hope you all had an enjoyable time. Kindly join us now for dinner and refreshments. Thank you. Good evening.